The question is, how does food reach from a farm to our plate? Let's consider the making of chapatis. Farmer grows wheat in a farm that goes for threshing and winnowing of grains. So this is step 1, that is farming the wheat, and this is the second step, that is threshing and winnowing of grain. Then the grains are stored. So this is third step, that is storing of grains. The next step is grinding of wheat grains to make flour. So this is the fourth step, and packing in bags. So this is fifth step, that is packing the flour in the bag. The wheat flour is transported to the retail shop. The chapatis are made from the wheat flour. So this is next step, that is chapatis are being made, and finally those are served to our plates. That means this is the final step. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.